Hello my YouTube family! Remember that Nigerian soup thickener that I showed you while shopping in Oyinbo market? In this video, I'll share how very convenient and easy it is to use it to prepare Nigerian soups. It is perfect for busy people, and if you live outside Nigeria, this thickener is a must-have in your abroad life. It is a great alternative to cocoyam as a thickener. As with all Nigerian soups, I start by cooking the meats and hard fish. Here I have cow ribs, shaki, which is cow tripe. I'm adding seasoning cubes. I'll be using stockfish too. This is the ear of stockfish, okporoko. I usually wash my okporoko very well, scrubbing it with a brush before adding to what I am cooking. Pour water to cover them and start cooking. This is the ground archie. I ground them using the heavy-duty grinders in Nigerian markets. Unless you have a super powerful grinder at home, an ordinary coffee grinder or spice grinder has got nothing on the very hard dry archie. So save yourself the stress when you buy dry archie and grind them in the market, okay? Then put in a glass container like this and keep in your cupboard. You only need a small quantity. I cannot stress this enough because I tell you, this thickener is so potent. A small quantity goes a long way. If you add too much, the soup will be bodo. It will feel like you are drinking akamo while eating with the soup, for real. Please use a small quantity. So I'll mix about 2 tablespoons of archie with some water. Till you get this medium consistency. You'll see the quantity of liquid in my pot of soup shortly. This oha has seen better days. It traveled 7 jungles and 7 seas, even crossed the Sahara Desert to get to Spain. So I am removing the bad ones. I cut the oha with my fingers. That's the best practice when cutting oha. Oha does not have any alternative, but if you have archie in your pantry, you can prepare this soup with baby spinach. Treat the baby spinach exactly the same way I am treating this oha, and you will end up with a delicious soup. The only thing that will be missing is the classic taste of oha, but at least you will have a different Nigerian soup you can add to your family menu today. This leaf is known as oha or ora, depending on which part of Igbo land you are from. How do you say it in your Igbo dialect? For me, I'm from Anambra State and we call it oha. I grew up in the coal city of Enugu. Yay! Any coal city brought up here, we called it ora in Enugu. So you will often catch me calling it both names. Now the meat is done and I already transferred them from the pressure cooker to a normal pot. I have about 1.5 liters of meat stock in there. Add ground crayfish, ogiri, whoa, my neighbors will hear it today. The archie, palm oil, and yellow habanero pepper or sensoka. Hey, this pepper when added to bitter leaf soup or ora soup makes this soup hit the right taste buds, exactly the way your finger should be hitting the like button right now. Have you liked this video yet? Have you? No? You want me to bring this ora soup to your house before you like, okay? I beg, like in advance. You can see I'm still cooking the soup. I will bring later, Biko. Stir it often so it does not burn. As soon as the palm oil is well integrated into the soup, you know this has happened when the soup is yellow. Is this yellow or mustard? Anyway, when it's this color all over, you don't see any pool of red oil like we saw earlier. That should take about 7 minutes. add the oha. I rinsed it very well oh. Stir very well. Add salt to your taste. Stir again and click the box on the left to watch more Nigerian soups recipes, where I share more tips that will help you prepare Nigerian soups like a pro. Don't forget to transfer the ora soup to a cool container immediately so that the oha leaves will not darken. Bye bye, see you soon.